Whether you're in a dorm room, a shared apartment, or a beach house, you've probably come across a variety of roommate personalities. First up, we have the neat freak. This type of roommate is very organized and clean. They keep the place tidy and expect the same from others. Next, we have the party animal. This type of roomie likes to socialize and host parties. They may not be considerate of others for quiet and privacy. Then there's the night owl. This type of roommate likes to stay up late and may be loud or disruptive during the night. Meet the foodie. This roomie is passionate about cooking and food. They have loads of kitchen equipment. They'll be in the kitchen all hours. Then we have the bookworm. This roommate likes to study or read all the time. They spend long hours in common areas and expect quietness. The gamer. This type of person likes to play video games. They may spend hours in front of the TV or computer. Expect them to rage quit throughout the night. The minimalist. This roommate likes to keep things plain and simple. Up next, the artist. The artist is someone who likes to create art and decorate the place with their supplies. Finally, the pet lover. This roommate will have a dog or cat. Expect to fight the cat in the middle of the night. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the different types of roommates and the challenges that come with living with them. Remember, every roommate is unique. It's important to communicate and find a balance that works for everyone.